Hi, Scott Dolan at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. Going to take a look at a new brokerage listing. 2022 Harris 250 Crown, freshwater only, single owner boat with a 400 on it. All right, so 250 Crown, desert camel interior, matching light beige helm, sea deck, woven teak flooring. This boat has under 18 hours on it. Guy bought the boat. He's moved out of the area to an area that he's not going to use a pontoon boat anymore, so now the boat's on the market. Boat is listed without a trailer, but I do have trailers available, about $7,500. So wraparound seating in the front, L bench back here in the back. Like all of the other Crowns, does have a powered backrest, so you can move this all the way forward, all the way back. Onboard battery charger, JL audio throughout, extra subwoofer, extra amplifiers, full LED lighting kit, so LED lighting seat bases, cup holders, speakers, underwater, under rub rail in the back. Twin screen setup on the dash, twin SIMRADs, a smaller and a larger, bigger one used for GPS, downscan sonar, fish finder. I like to use the smaller screen for all of my engine stuff, for trim, fuel economy, speed, you know, all of that. Black power tower, full bimini, so this boat will give you shade from about here to the very, very front of the boat. Nice extended deck back on the back. This boat also has a powered swim ladder, so you've got your foot controls right here that you can use to raise and lower the ladder. 400 horsepower Mercury, so this boat will absolutely get up and go. This one does not have a submersible swim seat, but one of them could easily be added for about $2,000. Super nice boat. Literally nothing wrong with it. It is in fantastic shape. I could move this onto the showroom and probably tell somebody it was a new boat, and you would probably believe me, because it is in that good a shape. So if you got any questions about this or any other boats you see online, this one you can just call me directly on my cell. That number's 301-501-7123. You can also email me at scott.dolan@marinemax.com. Thanks a lot. I look forward to talking to you.